Hi guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Lately, I've been loving starting my mornings out with the celery juice from Dose Juice. I do have a discount code in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. Then I always have whatever my body's craving, and lately that's been bagels with vegan cream cheese. After replying to some emails and drafting up some invoices, I go and snuggle Luna and Elsa, and that has been my lately dose of serotonin in the morning when I first wake up. Spending quality time with my pets and loved ones has made me so happy to start out the day, and I feel so fortunate to be able to start the morning out with my loved ones. Elsa was being so silly. She was literally following the camera like she was vlogging herself.
Follows the camera. That's so funny.
After scrolling a bit and having my coffee, celery juice, and bagel, I went to make the bed so I could get on with the rest of my day after I do some skincare. Morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, now Sunday. And if you're also new, hello, you may as well hit subscribe. Today, it's Wednesday, July, I don't know the actual date, but it's Wednesday and I only have two classes today, one at 1:30 to 2:30 and another at 2:30 till 3:30. So I have the morning off, but I need that morning to search for some things that I have lost. So I'm going to do that this morning, but I'm also going to film technique tips because I haven't done a technique tips video in a really long time, and I know you guys are always asking for technique tips to help improve your arches or help improve your leg extensions. A lot of the technique tips that I get requests for have to do with flexibility and strength, so I'm definitely going to film one of those this morning while I have some time. It's already 10:20. Oh my goodness, I wasted so much time this morning. I literally just kind of relaxed and chilled because yesterday was a super busy day. Like, I started teaching at 8 and I finished at 7, so it was a really long day, but it was awesome. It was great. No, that's a lie. I started at 9:30 and ended at 7. So it wasn't as long, but it was still a really long day. And it was pretty go. So I'm taking this morning to just kind of relax, rejuvenate, and refresh. There you go. I'm also really excited for this week because the Barbie movie comes out this Friday, and I got my tickets a few weeks ago. So I was supposed to take Steve, but he's going to be away. So I'm taking my friend Amber, and I kind of want to show up all in pink. I don't live in a huge city. I don't live in Toronto anymore, so I doubt anybody will, but just for myself, I kind of want to do that. I don't know, I feel like it would be really fun. Oh my gosh, that was way too much blush, but that's okay. I'm probably gonna go on a little walk today too. It's really gorgeous outside, it's sunny. It's not too hot either. The last few days have been gorgeous. A few weeks ago, it was like 33 degrees, 35 degrees. Even when I went in my car and started my car, it said it was 35 degrees outside, and that was too hot for me personally. I know there's lots of people that probably watch this and are from hotter countries, but in Canada, even when it gets close to 30s, like even 20s, it's really warm. I also just feel lucky that I live by water, so we do get a bit of a breeze from the lake, which is nice. Yeah, I'm really excited to see the Barbie movie. I'm gonna have to tell you guys how we like it. I also have the biggest crush on Ryan Gosling. I even think Steve looks a bit like him. I've always loved Ryan Gosling. He was my biggest celebrity crush, including Alexander Skarsgård. I clearly have a type, but I'm super excited to see the movie because I've heard great things about it. And all right, I am almost ready. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for makeup. Just keep it super simple. I also need to do something with my hair. I haven't cut it since we moved to this house, which was 2021. And my hair, guys, I'm not even kidding, is actually down past my waist at this point now. It is really long. I don't know if you can tell, but I can grab it literally past my waist. So I definitely need to trim it at least. I thought about opting for bangs. I really miss having bangs, but I know the struggle of growing them out. For example, the bangs that I used to have, it took me a year and a half to grow these out. And they're still not at a length that I like, because when I put my hair back, it's a weird length. It's not short enough to be like curtain bangs, but they're not long enough to tuck behind my ear when I have a ponytail, because if I do a ponytail, sometimes they don't always get up there, and then if I tuck them behind my ear, it just looks really weird because they do this weird like thing underneath my ear. So comment below what I should do with my hair, if I should cut it shorter or if I should just keep it long and just do a trim, or if I should go back to bangs, because I don't know. The bangs are kind of cute, but it took so long to grow them out. I really don't want to go through that again. But anyways, I'm gonna go film a video and catch you guys in a bit. I just finished, rude, filming a YouTube tutorial, and I figured I would put on my pointe shoes and do a little bit of pointe work as well since I'm all dressed up. Oh, I need to wash these. These are disgusting. They're really gross. I'm kind of sore from last night. Last night was the first day of my intensive with Flex Space Studios, and it was awesome. I had so much fun with it. So I'm pretty sore in all of my body from that. So I'm taking it easy today. Steve and I are gonna do a workout class tonight because I finish at 3 o'clock or 3:30 rather. And we got some extra time and we haven't done a workout like all summer. Obviously, like my job is very physical and stuff, but I've been noticing I'm out of shape. I'm very, you know, after a long walk, I'm out of breath. So we're gonna try to up our cardio a little bit and work on strengthening some things. I want to work on my upper body a bit because I've been lacking on core work. I used to be so strong in my core because I literally filmed workouts every single day for a while because those were the easiest things to film for me. But since I have more time now, I've strayed away from that, and they obviously, like I mentioned before, don't fulfill me the same way that doing vlogs and doing other videos fulfill me because these are a lot more creative and I feel like I have more of an outlet versus just working out and doing a voiceover. But that being said, I have been missing out on a lot of strengthening, so we're gonna do that tonight. So I'm gonna take it easy while I have my pointe shoes on right now. Plus these shoes are beyond their lifespan, so I can't do that much in them anyways. But it's also already 11:32 and we're gonna have lunch at noon because I teach at 1:30. While I was visiting my mom last week, she gave us some chef's plate meals, and oh my gosh, this meal was so delicious. It was this spiced chickpea sweet potato stew, and my favorite part about it was the chickpeas for sure. Sauces that came with the meal are so delicious and also healthy, and I ended up doubling the recipe, A, because I had a giant sweet potato, and B, because then I would have leftovers the next day so I didn't have to worry about cooking. There's the world's littlest snail on our cucumber plant right now. It is so cute. These cucumbers are huge, so I'm gonna wash them off, chop some up, and send one with Steve while he visits his parents tonight. I think this one turned out really well. The rice is delicious. Hey guys, I am going to the Barbie movie with my friend Amber, and I'm in a rush because I was supposed to finish up my class 15 minutes ago and have half an hour to get ready. But of course I finished up just now and now I only have 15 minutes to get ready. I actually have a super pink dress that I totally could wear to the movie tonight, and today's the first day that the Barbie movie actually comes out, so of course I'm gonna dress up all pink and do my girliest look that I possibly can. And like I said, I have a, oh my gosh, is that a white hair? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I think I have a white hair. Oh my gosh, I actually do, look. Or is it just blonde? Oh, I pulled it out. Maybe I'm turning blonde for the Barbie movie. That's true. It could be blonde. I'm gonna have Steve assess it, but guys, that looks pretty white. Oh, it won't focus. Is that blonde or white?
That's blonde.
Okay, good.
There's still some brown in it too.
Okay, anyways, like I was saying, I'm getting ready for the Barbie movie. I have a pink dress that I technically could wear because it's like bright Barbie pink, but it's super long and I don't really want to wear a super hot, long dress tonight because it's really hot out. Let's do a little bit of quick makeup. I haven't done makeup in a long time because I've been at home a lot and it's the summer and I hate my face when it melts, quite frankly. Using the Rare Beauty. I love this shade of pink too. It's so pretty. Steve was supposed to be my date to the Barbie movie, but he actually double booked himself. He's gonna visit his brother, right, Steve? That is right. So I'm going with my friend Amber and we're gonna have a fun girls' night, right? We're gonna have a fun girls' night, I said.
I'm gonna have a fun girls' night.
Me and Amber. What are you doing?
I'm just gonna move this back a bit.
Oh. Does that look better? Oh, no, you just have to get in there. I thought you were like trying to fix it because you're like, oh, it's in the right angle. Can you tell me?
That's the right angle for you.
Now I need more pink eyeshadow. Do I have pink eyeshadow? I need like candy pink. Guys, I literally said I need candy pink and I literally have a shade called Candy. I can't tell if this just looks like I have pink eye. Maybe I'll just blend this all out and make it look like it's just part of eyeshadow. I finally found it. Okay, I think this is the only thing that will rectify whatever the heck is going on in my eyeballs. Because at least it'll just distract from the point that I suck at makeup. It'll just be like, ooh, she's got sparkles on her eyes. You know what I mean? Probably should have put on the mascara first. Ah! Okay, that's not like bad, but it's like kind of bad. Oh, I have an eyelash stabbing my eye.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's like a little bit better.